Hello friends, I'm here with another Five Below toy. This is the Bytech Universal Foldable Stand, available for $5 at Five Below. And we're going to open it up and check it out and see how it works. Five Below has all kinds of phone accessories these days. There's like a huge section of the store that's just weird, cheap $5 phone accessories. Many of them are similar to other popular and expensive brands and accessories available on the market, but they're only $5, so it makes you wonder, are they worth it? I continue to get them, of course, and find out. So this is a phone stand for $5. I took it out of the box, and immediately I like it. It's super compact, and it's heavier than I expected. You know that cheap, plasticky, lightweight feeling that real garbage Chinese accessories feel like? That hollow weightlessness? That's what I was expecting. So far, not the case. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it up. So here it is. It's a little clamshell. You just peel it open and then push the holder open. It's got a rubber backing and rubber feet. And there's pretty good resistance on the hinge. I don't know how much this would hold, but I've got an iPhone 7 Plus to find out. So there's the iPhone 7 Plus. You can adjust this to different angles. That's a more traditional angle right there. And it has no problem holding the phone. So let's put it in landscape mode. Again, no problem holding the phone. You can stand it up. No problem. This is, again, one of the biggest phones that Apple makes, and it's holding it with no problem at all. It's super stable. The hinge is super stable too. So apparently, according to the box, you can raise this stand up. So let's give that a try right now. Ah, there it is. It looks like there's two settings, up and down, rather than in the middle. Just push it down, pull it up. Let's see if it still holds my phone. My big giant iPhone 7S Plus. Yeah, it does. No problem whatsoever. Still stable. Let's try landscape mode. Stand it up real good. And notice the phone stays put pretty good because of the rubber backing and the rubber feet. I mean, you're not going to knock your stand around when you're using it, but it still stays put. So that's very interesting. But we're not done just yet. Let's see if it'll hold an iPad mini. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Holds it quite well, actually. So there you go. There's a little $5 stand for your iPad mini. All right, let's tilt it up and see if it falls over. No, it does not. How about if we do vertical? No, it does not. Very impressive. But we're not done just yet. Let's try it with a Nintendo Switch. Boom. There's your Nintendo Switch with the Joy-Cons on, mind you. Let's turn it up. Let's take the Joy-Cons off. Let's try to switch in vertical mode. Let's tilt it up. Let's tilt it down. Oh my God, but we're not done yet. How about PS Vita? Well, there it is. The Bytech Universal Phone Holder Foldable Stand. Says it fits most devices on the box. And it does. I held an iPad mini, iPhone Plus, Nintendo Switch, PS Vita. This thing can hold just about everything you throw at it. And if you need one, it's waiting for you at Five Below for $5. So go get one. You're watching Greg Adventure. I'm Greg, and this is today's adventure.